Right now, you got people cold DM 100 strangers a day, while praying one person responds with something other than, "How'd you get this number?" Meanwhile, there's a coach or expert with a 40-page authority book who hasn't DM'd anyone in 6 months and just onboarded 3 $10,000 clients this week. This isn't luck. This is called leverage. If you've been chasing leads, begging algorithms, and burning cash on Facebook or Instagram ads, it's not your fault. You've just been using a system that's been designed to keep you on a hamster wheel. Today, I'm gonna walk through a visual breakdown of the authority acquisition engine, the same client getting engine that I use to get 5,000 to 30,000 offers without paid ads or cold outreach. Alright, let's talk about how to get coaching clients without cold DMs and paid ads. So part 1, why cold DMs and ads fail. Alright, let's talk about random tactics versus having a relationship system. I'm pretty sure you feel like this, right? Your cold DMs feel like spam. You're like, alright, let me send them a cold DM, cold email. Oh man, I hope I'm not bothering them. Yeah, that's the thing. You don't want to feel like that. We go through this feeling where paid ads feel like gambling, right? Put all your money in, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, or TikTok, YouTube, and then you just hope it works with no strategy in place.
I also like to live dangerously.
And the thing is, both skills require you to do all the heavy lifting, so you're gonna live all the paid ads and organic traffic. See, the thing is, you guys are here pitching a $5,000 program like a thirsty Tinder swipe, hoping someone will say yes. But all the high ticket buyers aren't looking for a pick-a line. They're looking for a category leader. So if you're solving deep problems, but the messaging feels like a $17 impulse buy, you don't need more tactics. You need a system that multiplies the trust before the call. So you want to create a trust building system. So this girl will be here like your customer. Hey, I'm interested. Pick me.
Pick me, teacher. I'm ever so smart.
And now we move to part 2, the authority flywheel. The goal is you just want to publish once and profit for use. You just upload, and then now you have an evergreen asset that's on the internet forever, where it's bringing you money. Step 1, we start by codifying your authority. You do it by creating a short 40-page authority book, like here's my example, effortless growth, and here's more examples, deep work and great at work. Just to remind you, this is not a lead mag, it's not a funnel. Ain't no crazy opt-in with some 17 step with like jazz and whistles. It's a bold belief asset that attracts serious buyers and filters all the brokies and curious people who never buy from you. You see, most of y'all are just publishing cute carousel content, but here, we're out here publishing conviction. Now we're in part 2, publish like a modern day publisher. Here, this is where you're going to be publishing assets with conviction. And here we start with relevance. This is going to speak directly to the pain point that they never post about. So this area is where you make them feel seen, heard, feel, and respected, that this guy understands me. We do omnipresence, being seen often without being annoying. So this is when during the customer journey where we're posting relevant content that is solving their problems and they're getting more familiar with us. And we move to intimacy, where we can do voice notes, transparent stories, and DMs that don't feel automated. So in this stage, this is where they feel like more of a personal connection with us. We built the know, like, and trust factor, building a strong bond with our brand. Then we move to step 3, let automation do the work. And this is the place when we have AI in a sequence in place where we don't have to do anything manual. So we have voice AI that calls the leads and buyers within 30 seconds to a minute to 1 to 2 minutes. So we have voice AI with Ava that I'm going to use. And then we move to the SMS and text sequence that deepens the trust. So they're going to get quick messages that's relevant to them in little messages. And then we move to an email indoctrination sequence that shifts beliefs while you sleep. So we're moving them across the journey and assigning them while shifting their beliefs while you get to sleep. And the result? You stop chasing trust and you start engineering it. So now your competition becomes noise, and now you have their 100% attention that you can help them. Look, if you're done playing short-term games and you're ready to install a system that quality attracts $5,000 to $30,000 clients on Autopilot, go ahead and book a one authority strategy call below, and let's map out your client journey. Alright, now we're in part 3, indoctrination that converts. Due to content that pre-sells, because smart coaches don't sell, they shift beliefs. And here's what we install post-book download after they buy or opt-in. Yeah, so we install short indoctrination videos where we teach and position you, like you see Alex Hormozy all the time teaching, and when you learn something from him, it puts you in a better position where they see you as an authority. And then we have our story-based emails where we share our personal values and our origin story. So this is the part of the customer journey where they're getting to know you, your hero's journey, and your frameworks, and where they feel like they're bonding with you and they want to work with you. And here we got proof moments where we text screenshots and video testimonials. Here they're saying people that could get results, creating that belief, yeah, I could do it too, and it slowly influences them to work with you even more by seeing all this proof. And then of course we have our voice AI, which is another warm touch point, which handles all the smart objection handling. So here we have our AI sales coordinator answering further questions to help them along the journey.
Got it. Let me rephrase that. Scheduling a call will absolutely help you take the next step. Our team can guide you on how to productize your knowledge into authority so you can attract high-ticket clients.
So you guys could really help me on doing this?
Absolutely. We can definitely help you. Our team specializes in guiding professionals like you to turn your expertise into a productized system, positioning you as an authority and helping you attract high-ticket clients. Scheduling a call is the best way to dive deeper into your goals and create a plan tailored just for you. Shall we lock in a time?
And to ascend them to the next step. And here, you're not nurturing leads. We're not sending the same 5 email value ladder sequence that died in 2021. Instead, every message is a micro moment of belief. Not just pushy, not pitchy, just trust layered in, so they're gonna move to the next stage while they trust you. And now we move to part 4. Build trust before the call. In this stage, we have a relationship funnel that equals pre-sold leads, because most of y'all are trying to close on the call, but the smart ones, they pre-sell long before it. And here's how. We do the authority book, which creates positioning. Again, like I have my book, Effortless Growth, and here's Wealthy Consultant by Taylor Welch. And then we have Voice AI that instantly calls them after they buy and download. So we have Ava right here. This is where the buyer's hot, so they're gonna be more open to opportunities. And then we have SMS and emails, which refrains beliefs and handles all the objections. So here we're slowly converting them without them even knowing it. And now we put in the booking page, which includes a VSL, FAQs, and case study. So now we're sending them up the value ladder, so all the FAQs, the VSLs, and case studies are pre-selling them before the call. And so by the call happens, you're no longer explaining, you're not pitching, and you're confirming what they already believe. And so they come in, ready to do a deal with you, so you now become the obvious only choice to work with. And now we move into part 5. You're not building funnels, we're building a movement in the modern day publisher method. You see, funnels are just tools, but movements are systems with meaning. You see, a modern day publisher doesn't post for reach, they post for renaissance, where each post resonates with all your ideal clients. They don't DM for attention, they publish to attract believers. So now you're positioned as a savior to their problem. So our business becomes a force of trust. One asset, one journey, and one conversion engine, all built around you. Now you'll be chilling like this guy, having a business that you love and not hate. If you're ready to stop duct taping funnels and you want a system that publish trust, nurture leads, and convert silently, go ahead and grab your free copy of the Silent Selling System book or book your free one-on-one authority call with me on the link below. No cold DMs, no paid ads, just real relationships that convert on autopilot. Let's build your authority engine and let's turn content into client. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Jeremy out.